सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् आचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 301, verse 177. Jagat satyattvamapadya prarabdham bhojayedyadi tada virodhi vidyayah bhogamatra satyata. Vidyaranya discussing the Jnani experiencing the prarabdha. This prarabdha cannot be avoided even by a Jnani. And this is the Siddhanta. The Purva Pakshi raises a question. How Upanishad can say that Kim Kena Kaha Pashet, the person, what he can see, what he can desire, what he can use the instrument to see. Upanishad is telling about a Jnani. He is desireless. He never desire anything. How can he desire anything? Nothing is there to desire. These Upanishadic statements and Jnani's life experiencing prarabdha, it looks some contradictory for a Purva Pakshi, seeming contradiction. We are seeing Jnanis undergoing pain and pleasure, prarabdha. Upanishad says that Jnani is beyond all these things. So Vidyaranya says you have to interpret properly. Jnani is beyond means Jnani removes the satyatvam in prarabdha. The knowledge will not eliminate the experience. Brahma Vidya, I am Brahman, knowledge, will not eliminate the experience of the world. Just as the sunrise, first one scientist said, sun moves, revolving, the sun is revolving. Then later another scientist came and said, sun is not moving, earth alone is moving. That time that person was really sentenced by those people, that religious people. How can you say earth is moving? So some facts people cannot accept so easily. If we are in one understanding for some time, and different understanding, different way of thinking is not possible for many people to come out of that old vasana, old thinking, old habit, old notion, that will not come out. Very, very difficult. Even when we come to Vedanta in initial stages, some statements are not acceptable to our intellect. It rejects silently. Later only it will accept what Upanishad says, Guru says. It happens to everyone. Now you see there is no sunrise, but all our Vedic rituals start with sunrise. Deliberately we do Suryodayam time. What is the sunrise time this month? The paper they put every day. In Panchangam also it is there. Even though there is no sunrise, but all our Vedic rituals based on sunrise. Since Vedic rituals are based on sunrise, there is a sunrise. Can you say there is a sunrise? There is no sunrise, we know that. Based on that, rituals we are doing just as though. Just that word we are using, even though sun appears. Sun is not rising, sun appears. Like that, here also, Jnani is beyond Sukha, Dukkha. How is it possible when he is seeing the Dvaitam? As long as Dvaita experience is there, pain and pleasure is there. When pain and pleasure is there, what is the difference between Ajnani and Jnani? So much you are praising about Jnani, I don't see any difference. Because I am seeing trees as trees, he is also seeing trees as trees. Thunder as thunder, rain as rain. He also gets wet, I also get wet when rain comes, when we walk in the rain. All these are happening. How can you say this Jnani is so different from Ajnani? I don't see, there is no difference in this Ajnani and Jnani in the Purva-Pakshi's arguments. For that Acharya says, it is not so. Jnani take out the reality in that experience. Jnanam will not eliminate the Dvaita experience. Guru is teaching Panchadashi, Upanishads and all. And Guru has to see female as female, male as male. Students are students. And he or she knows the names, different names. Dvaita experience is important, really speaking. Dvaitam experience as Dvaitam in Vyavahara is important. You should not see Advaitam. Male and female are one and the same. Different names, different forms, different duties, different responsibilities. Differences are there. Does it mean they are all real? Dvaita experience need not be real. Jnanam does not eliminate Dvaita experience. Point number one. Atma Vidya will not eliminate Dvaita Anubhava. Second point is what? There is Dvaita Anubhava, therefore it is real, you cannot say. Dvaita Anubhava need not be real. Like Surya Udayam, Anubhava need not be real. After knowing that there is no Surya Udayam, Surya Astamanam, are you experiencing the rise of sun and the setting of the sun? Are you experiencing or not? After knowing also, there is no sunrise. We are experiencing. Similarly, after knowing this Advaitam Brahman alone is Satyam, there is no second real entity in the world. There cannot be second real entity in the world. After knowing that also, second entities, that means Dvaita Vastu Anubhava continues for a Jnani. Dvaita Vastu Anubhava continuation need not establish the reality of Dvaita Vastu. Dvaita Vastu Anubhava, the experience of duality in the world, need not establish the reality of Dvaita Anubhava. That is our standpoint. Our means Vidyaranya's standpoint, Vedantin's standpoint. Purva-Pakshi's argument is what? How, when there is a Dvaita Anubhava, how can Jnani is free from this pain and favorable, unfavorable. He is also undergoing. And the Satyatva Buddhi alone is the criteria here. World is problematic, it is tyrannizing me, or it is not, based on your Satyatva Mithyatva Drishti. This only one word, that is our weapon, Vedantin's weapon. If you give reality to Dvaitam, it is causing problem. If you don't give reality to Dvaitam, it will not cause problem. On the other hand, it is an entertainment. It serves like an entertainment. Look into the shloka 177. Yedi jagat satyatvam apadya prarabdham bhojayet syat. Suppose I am experiencing my prarabdha by giving reality to the prarabdha. Every Jnani experiencing the prarabdha by giving reality to the prarabdha. The sukham is real, the dukkham is real, that people are real, everything is real, suppose. In this world, Jnani experiencing prarabdha. Suppose it is real. What is the problem? Tada vidyayaha virodhihi syat. Prarabdhaha vidyayaha virodhihi. Prarabdha comes, Jnanam is not working. Then the prarabdha is real. Prarabdha problems are real. What is the use of Jnanam? What is the use of self-knowledge? Who will come to Panchadashi class? What is the use, Swamini? We are already having Dvaita Anubhava problems. After coming to class also, after knowledge also, problems are there. Who will come to Shastra? Idukkaha velindi padikano. Notes எழுதணும், CD வாங்கணும், எதுக்காக? Then no use at all. Vidyayaha virodhi prarabdhaha. Vidya says what? Knowledge is telling this is unreal, this is unreal. But prarabdha says it is real. But prarabdha comes and says real. Who is strong here? Vidya is strong, knowledge is strong, or prarabdha anubhava is strong? If prarabdha is real, prarabdha is strong. If prarabdha experience is unreal, experience is not unreal. The experience will be there. And the experience is real. Experience will continue, but experience reality will not be there. That's what we want to say. If reality is there, what is the use of knowledge? Virodhihi syat. Vidyayaha virodhihi syat prarabdha. பாவம் வித்யா ஞானம் இருந்துட்டு போ பிராரப்தமானு சொல்லிட்டான். இந்த பிராரப்தா நான் சத்தியமா நிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னா, then prarabdha is so strong and vidya, it says I am allowing you to continue. Knowledge, self-knowledge allows prarabdha to continue. And this prarabdha should be gratitude, show gratitude, like that country, neighboring country. Divided from this country, taken all benefits from this country and not having any gratitude. Suppose, what will happen? மோதிரம் வச்சு குட்டு கொடுப்போம்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, அப்படி கொடுக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி பிராரப்தத்தை கூட நான் சத்தியமா நிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்ன வித்யா, நாலேஜ் சேஸ் I have allowed you to continue. ஓ பிராரப்தமா, now you want to be real அண்ணா, அது முடியவே முடியாது. You cannot be real. You have to be false. That is why prarabdha is false. Prarabdha experience is not false. Prarabdha is false. இது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். It's a very, very involved technical topic. Up to there one full stop போட்டுக்கணும். Then bhoga matrat na satyata. Since I am experiencing, therefore it is real, you cannot say. Bhoga matrat, prarabdha bhoga matrat, I am experiencing Elinite Shani, I am experiencing this disease, I am experiencing the financial problem, I am experiencing so many difficulties, therefore they are real. You cannot say. Bhoga matra tu satyata na vaktum shakyate. Because of experience you cannot establish reality. Just as any other experience. Earth is flat or round. Your experience is flat. What is real? Round. Earth is moving or not? Violently moving. What is your experience? It is stationary. So, your experiences need not be real. Similarly, your prarabdha also. All your experiences need not be real. So, therefore, bhoga matrat satyata nasti. Pallu vali satyama puyyana. Relatively real but absolutely unreal. This is the toughest portion in Vedanta to assimilate. If we assimilate this, Vedanta is easy. Until that time, it is like a purum velangai madri, kashtam, swallow pandradhi kashtam. But slowly we can assimilate. Next shloka. Anuno jayate bhogah kalpitai swapnavastubhih jagradvastubhirapyevam asatyair bhogayishyatam. Manu in Bhagavata tells to Dhruva. Dhruva was so angry fighting with an enemy who is fighting with his brother. Dhruva was so angry with an enemy, which enemy was fighting with his brother. When Dhruva was so angry, Manu comes and tells, "Hey Dhruva, you have got Bhagavan's darshanam. You know why this type of anger is coming to you? Have you thought of this type of anger should not come to you? Because you have such a great darshan of Bhagavan." At that time he says, Manu says, same. This content of 178 sloka. He says in a different format. Ideda swapnam jagrat. You must see your jagrat experience also just like dream experience. This Manu also tells. That means Vyasacharya, when he is writing Puranas, he just picturized with characters the same teaching. The same Vedanta Upanishadic teaching, Vyasacharya puts in different characters and different dialogues. To understand Bhagavatam properly, you must be a Vedantic student for 10-15 years. Otherwise, you cannot understand Bhagavatam properly. Bhagavatam is a katha, just a story for an ordinary person. Since people cannot understand the abstract teaching, Vyasacharya brought it into concrete form. But all the Bhagavatars managed to be in concrete form of teaching, they never come to abstract form. Because all people who are attending Bhagavata, Ramayana, Bharata and all, only beginners, only bhaktas, they don't have any spiritual knowledge. That is why Bhagavatars stop at concrete level only, they never step into abstract level. Dhruva Charitram, you go and hear the story of Dhruva Charitram. None of the Bhagavatar talk about that, the depth of that Dhruva Charitra. They never talk. First of all, Bhagavatar doesn't know. அவர் வேதாந்தி நாயனா இருந்தாதான் அவர் சொல்ல முடியும். That Bhagavatar also must have courage. If I continue the abstract teaching, people will continue or not. அவனுக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கக்கூடாது. Suppose Vedanta teacher himself or herself have a doubt, I am teaching such a abstract teaching, நாளைக்கு ஆள் வருவானோ இல்லையோ அனு சொல்லி நான் நினைச்சா என்ன ஆகும்? The abstract teaching will never come out. People can never understand abstract teaching because there is no possibility. That's why Vedantic teacher must have courage and boldness. Whether people come in crowd or not, I never bother. Who deserves to listen my teaching, they will come. Whoever deserves to listen, whoever is having sadhana chatushtaya sampat, they alone will come. Why I want other people? Sadhana chatushtaya sampatti rahitaha cannot come. I don't want such people. The teacher must have that courage. Then only this Advaita Vedanta will be propagated, can be propagated. But rarely people teach Vedanta. Vedanta, the depth very rarely people teach because we have to prepare the students. We have to prepare mumukshus. Unless there is a mumukshu, the upadesha is not possible. I am not a just shrota, not just listener. The student must be a tibra mumukshu. Otherwise the teacher's teaching is just an information. Unless the student is a tibra mumukshu, even though Guru is talking, it will never serve as upadesha. It never serves as mahavakyopadesha. Guru's teaching only is an information. Unless there is a tibra mumukshutvam in that student, this teaching will be only an information. When this teaching of a teacher will become upadesha to that student, when that student is Tivra Mumukshu. That's why the students have to become Tivra Mumukshus. Therefore the teacher, Vedantic teacher, toughest task is this. Silently the teacher does, creating the Mumukshus. Ordinary students, ordinary listeners, the teacher converts into Mumukshus. Then only further teaching will become an Upadesha. The teacher is also having a tough time because let my teaching remain as information, let my teaching be Upadesha, let there be some mumukshus in the class. That is why 10 years, 20 years teaching, 30 years teaching, to prepare the student, to make the student, to convert the student into mumukshu, the teacher has got a toughest time. Very, very difficult. But the teacher must untiringly working for that. A tivra, mumukshu madri, tivra Vedantic teacher working for that silently. Silently goes to the teaching. That is a different topic. Okay. Anuno jayate. Now look into this sloka. Kalpitaihi swapna vastubhihi anunaha bhogaha jayate. Kalpitaihi, imagined, projected. Swapna vastubhihi, many swapna objects. Swapna objects, dream objects. Swapne drishyamana vastu, swapna vastu. Madhyamapada lopa samasa. Taihi swapna vastubhihi. By those dream objects which are imagined, kalpitam, kalpitaihi, which are projected. Anuno bhogaha jayate. There is so much of bhoga. Anunaha means abundant. Nunaha means less, limited. alpam. Nunaha means alpaha. Na nunaha anunaha. Not alpaha but analpam. Anunaha means abundantly. In one dream, yesterday dream, you sit and recollect your dream. How many dreams you have got? One dream I have got, thunder, lightning came and I woke up. That dream and went away. Again I slept, suppose. Again I slept, suppose and I slept. Again another dream came. That before thunder dream, real thunder. Yesterday lightning, thunder came. Before that what I have dreamt, that will continue after thunder. Will it continue? Okay, let me continue that now. You cannot continue that dream. Another dream comes. Again 4 o'clock rain comes. Again pouring. Very good rain yesterday. I thought if such a rain comes, why Kaveri water we have to fight for? Then I come to know this rain is in Chennai, not in that villages. They need a standing water for fields. So the dream at 3 times you sleep at 3 times, 3 types of differences. Anunaha, bhogaha, 1 or 2. How many objects you are seeing, how many experiences you are experiencing in the dream. Anunaha bhogaha jayate. There are many experiences are rising in the dream by swapna vastu, by dream objects. Whatever jagradavasthayam yad drishtam yad shrutam tad jinitam asanaya nidra samaye yad prapancham pratiyate sa swapna avastha. Enna tattva bodha. So that swapna vastu, as you have seen abundantly enjoyed, or suffering also, so many varieties of experiences you have seen. Similarly, come to the second line now. Similarly, evam. The second line in the middle there is evam. You have to kandipudikkanum eppadi ani and the evam enga irukku jagrat vastubhirappi evam. Evam, in this manner. In this manner means as swapna anubhava, in this manner, evam. Asatyaihi bhogaha, asatyaihi jagrat vastubhihi api. Asatyaihi jagrat vastubhi. Even this jagrat vastu, what you are experiencing in relative world, jagrat avasthayam, asatyaihi jagrat vastubhihi bhogaha ishyatam. Bhogaha ishyatam. Evam jagrat vastubhihi api asatyaihi bhogaha ishyatam. May you take these experiences of this jagrat prapancha, waking world. Now class is real or unreal? Seemingly real. Relatively real. Absolutely not real. So Jagrad Vastubhihi api asatyaihi bhogaha ishyatam. These experiences are also same like swapna padarthas. May you understand. Ishyatam should be accepted. They should be accepted as unreal. Like TV serial. TV serial you are seeing. Is it real or unreal? Unreal. That's why Hanuman, when he was crossing the ocean, Hanuman saw that entire that ocean like a hoof of the cow in water standing. And the cow and the padam which the hoof and the hole, it a place gap and the gap like how much water stands there? Very little. Goshpadi krita varasim mashaki krita rakshasam. Goshpadi krita varasim. This water is like Goshpadi for Hanuman. In front of Ramanam, for him the ocean appears like a Goshpadi. Similarly, when you look at coconut from here, it looks so big from the bottom. When you stand on the floor and look at the coconut, it looks so big. You see from the helicopter. You see from the helicopter, same coconut looks like a dot. Dot-like. Similarly, from your higher nature, helicopter, from your higher nature, this prarabdha is like a dot-like coconut. It is insignificant. Two examples. Moodo as example. Birbal draw a lion. Lion not L-I-O-N. L-I-N-E, line. He draw a line. And he asked some people to come and shorten this line without touching the line. You know that story? Without scraping, without touching, without rubbing, you have to make it short. Nobody could do that. Without wiping, how can I do that without touching? Then Birbal said, I will do. No. He took the chalk piece and draw a big line. What does he draw? A big line. The above line has become short or not? Short. He didn't touch the first line. Just he draw the second line. Like that, when I recognize I am Brahman, the Jagrat Anubhava also same like Swapna Anubhava. I need not do anything. Just I raise myself to my higher nature. That's all. Therefore, bhogaha ishyatam. Next shloka. 179. Yedi vidyapahunvita jagat prarabdha ghatini tadasyannatu mayatvam bodhena tadapannavaham. Very important shloka. Yadi vidyayaha apahnuvita jagrat prarabdha. Yadi vidyayaha jagrat prarabdha apahnuvita tada na prarabdha ghatini syad. What is the essence of this shloka? If vidya does not falsify the prarabdha, if it is not falsifying the prarabdha continues as real. It will continue as real. There are two problems comes if you accept prarabdha is real. If prarabdha should not be there to a jnani, if you say also, there is a problem. Purvapakshi is how a jnani can have prarabdha. If he is having prarabdha, how can he be a jnani? This is the vishayam. How jnani can have prarabdha? If he is having prarabdha, how can he be a jnani? We say jnani is a jnani in spite of prarabdha. Prarabdha should be there. Why? If prarabdha is not there for a jnani, there are two problems. What are those problems? Suppose, if this mithya world is capable of giving responses to jnani or not. If this mithya world is capable of giving responses, emotional reactions in a jnani or not, in the question. Suppose it is not giving. Abhyupetyavada. Suppose Advaita answers. Suppose Advaita answers like this. What? That this mithya world loses the capacity to give experience. Mithya world, after knowledge, loses its capacity to give experience. Advaiti answering. This mithya world, suppose, he is not telling, suppose he says, this mithya world is not giving any experience. Suppose he says, what will happen, It is a violation of law. What is that law? Na prarabdhasya bhogadeva kshayaha is the law. Suppose Advaiti says, I am a jnani now, I have got Advaita jnanam, this prarabdha cannot give any experience. If he says that prarabdhasya bhogaya eva kshayaha, law will be violated. Prarabdhamavadu bhogamavadu. அது இல்லவே இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா அது தப்பா போயிடும். ஞானி should not say like that. ஏன்னா பிராரப்தஸ்ய க்ஷயஹ போகாத் ஏவ பவதி. By experiencing the prarabdha only, prarabdha exhaustion can take place. That is why Advaitin Jnani cannot say prarabdha cannot give any experience to me and சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஞானி என்ன சொல்லணும்? ஆமாப்பா என்னோட பிராரப்தம் குட் பிராரப்தா பேட் பிராரப்தம் சொல்லணும். என்ன க்ஷயம் ஆகணுமே. வித்தவுட் தட் க்ஷயா டிஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஆஃப் தட் பிராரப்தா, prarabdha cannot go away. That is the law. Prarabdhasya kshayaha bhogati eva. How can a jnani says prarabdha is not there for me and solla mudiyuma? So therefore you have to accept the prarabdha to validate the shastra. To validate the statement of the shastra, prarabdhasya kshayaha bhogati eva. Prarabdha experiencing the pressure and pain can be exhausted only by experience. This is the law. Even Bhagavan cannot change. Jnani cannot change. If I say the prarabdha is not there, that experience is not there and sonna, law violate ayidum. First problem vandadum. So prarabdha will be there. Now second problem is, to protect that law, the Advaita has to accept, Advaiti Jnani has to accept prarabdha. Enna prarabdha? Poyyana prarabdham accept பண்ணணும். Just as sunrise வச்சுன்னு தானே ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்றோம். தெரிஞ்சே பண்றானா இல்லையா? அது மாதிரி இந்த பிராரப்தம் கூட பொய்யன்னு தெரிஞ்சா கூட இருக்கப்பான்னு சொல்லணும். Then second problem, if Jnani is not free from tyranny, the tyranny means the prarabdha gives so much pain. If Jnani is not free from the tyranny of that prarabdha, prarabdha is paining, giving lot of pain to him. Naturally Purvapakshi comes and asks, Ennappa periya jnanam ivala suffer ayinditkar. Jnani also undergoing the tyranny of that prarabdha, like just like Ajnani. Then people will ask, what is the difference between Ajnani and Jnani? Po anu solluva. Jnanamu venda onnume venda. So to avoid that problem, Vidyaranya answers, Jnani is free from the tyranny of the prarabdha. To protect that law, prarabdha bhogaya kshayaha, bhogadeva kshayaha, to protect that we accept prarabdha. To differentiate Jnani and Ajnani, Jnani, even though prarabdha is experienced by Jnani, you should not equate Jnani and Ajnani. Even though Jnani undergoing a prarabdha, you should not equate Jnani and Ajnani, both are the same. I will not allow you to equate like that. So Vidyaranya says what? Therefore, Jnani will not undergo the tyranny of the prarabdha. Experience of prarabdha will be there. But the tyranny, that intensity, that emotional response, effect, affliction won't be there. If and the law is taken care of, at the same time Jnani is Jnani. He is not like Ajnani. Ajnani is afflicted by prarabdha. Jnani is not afflicted by prarabdha. Now this is the way you have to interpret. Shastrathukku eduvume haani varakudadu. You should not violate the law of Shastra. At the same time, Jnani and Ajnani both are different in experiencing the prarabdha. Some people, by hypnosis, without anesthesia, they undergo major surgery. Few years back they have shown in the TV also. I didn't see, somebody told me, very major operation without anesthesia that person is undergoing. They have shown that operation, that person is talking also. The person who is undergoing operation is talking. Can you say he is a Jnani? Without anesthesia to undergo an operation, you need not be a Jnani. That is possible just by separating yourself by hypnosis from your body identification. Ramana Maharshi did that only. Without anesthesia, that person undergoing an operation, it doesn't matter whether he goes with anesthesia or without anesthesia. Adiki gnanathiki connection kadiyadu. People talk about Sadashiva Brahmendra. Our kai cut panna kuda theriyalaya. Therefore he is a Jnani. Appo naan kuda konjam blade vechindi cut panni enna gnanam vandada illaya go pain anna innu gnanam varala innu naadu second day prick gnanam varala enna pain theriyarade. Is the people estimation of a Jnani. Shastra says nothing to do with physical, biological pain and knowledge. Biological pain, its presence and its absence cannot equate the knowledge. Presence of biological pain and absence of biological pain, nothing to do with self-knowledge. Can you do that biological pain absence by hypnosis also? Many people are jumping in the fire. You jump, next moment get burnt. They jump. How they are jumping? They are jumping, that's all. Person is walking on the nails. You cannot walk on the pebbles. What to talk of nails? You cannot walk on the pebbles. What to talk of nails? But a person, I saw a person walking on the nail chappal, padukai, full of nails. With my eyes, I saw very closely. Can you? Since I am not able to walk on the thorn slippers, he is walking on the thorn slippers. Therefore, Sashtanga Namaskaram. Don't ask how he is walking. That is a separate topic. You can go and inquire what they are doing, all those things. Therefore, yadi vidyayaha jagrat prarabdha ghatini bhavet. This Anvaya you have to do first line. Yadi vidya jagrat prarabdha apahnvita. If knowledge destroys vidya, jagrat prarabdha means in waking state the prarabdha you are experiencing. Apanvita, if it negates. Prarabdha ghatini, jagrat prarabdha ghatini bhavet chet vidya. What will happen? Tada mayatvam nasyat. Tada, okay. Mayatvam, mayatva bodhena tadapanhavaha nasyat. If vidya destroys prarabdha, jagrat prarabdha ghatini bhavet chet, tada mayatva bodhena nasyat. Mayatva bodha means here dvaita. Mayatva means mithyatva, falsification. Falsification. If jnanam destroys the fructification of prarabdha, it can never be the vidya. Vidya will not challenge the prarabdha. Prarabdha cannot challenge the vidya. Vidya cannot challenge prarabdha, prarabdha cannot challenge Vidya. Then what Vidya does? Vidya does only mithyatva nischayam of that prarabdha. Vidya does not touch the prarabdha. Vidya take out the reality from the prarabdha. That's all. இது சொல்றதுக்கு எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுறோம் பாருங்க. Vidya does not destroy the prarabdha anubhava. Mayatva bodhena apannavaha. Just by mayatva bodha, by the elimination of the reality, not the elimination of anubhava, but the elimination of satyatva, reality. That is called mayatva bodha. If knowledge negates experience, knowledge would have destroyed prarabdha karma. If knowledge negates experience, knowledge negates experience, knowledge would have destroyed prarabdha karma. It should not destroy. That is against law. Therefore, but Vidya does what? Vidya teaches us. Mayatva bodha means teach. Vidya teaches it is maya, mithya, but not destroying it. Without destroying the prarabdha, this Panchadashi class, Upanishad class teaches what? That prarabdha is unreal. Therefore, Gnani is not affected by Sanchita, Agami, Punya, Papa, prarabdha. It is false. It cannot afflict me. It cannot touch me. Mithyatva nischayam is the toughest task. Mithyatva nischayam. World L எடுத்துடணும் அவ்வளவுதான். WORLD. World. Jagat. Jagrat Prapancha Anubhava. You have to remove that L without touching the L, like Birbal. Remove the L. How you without touching the L? You should not wipe. World. If you remove L intellectually, world becomes a word. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. Ahameva satyam. Mrittikayeva satyam. An example. Dashtantam, what you have to say? Ahameva satyam jagadadhishtanam sarva nama rupa prapancha mithya eva. Mithya iti yukte vyavaharika satyameva natu paramarthika satyam ityarthaha. Mithya is equal to what? Mithya means it is not there and illa. Mithya is equal to it is there, but it is relatively real, seemingly there. It is vyavaharika satyam anartham. Mithya ni sonna. It is not absolutely real. In the mithya word, nanna entrench ஆகணும் நமக்கு. அது ஆகிறதுக்குள்ள எல்லாம் பொய் பொய்ன்னு சொல்றா சுவாமினி. எப்படி பொய் ஆக முடியும்? யாரு சொன்னா பொய்யன்னு நான் சொல்லவே இல்லையே. பொய்ன்னு நான் சொல்லல, மித்யான்னு தான் சொன்னேன் நான். பொய்யன்னா மித்யான்னு சொன்னேன் சுவாமினி அண்ணா. ஏய் மித்யா வேறு பொய் வேறுப்பா அண்ணா. அண்ட் யூ ஆர் பிளேயிங் வித் வேர்ட்ஸ் சுவாமினி. நாங்க எல்லாம் பேச முடியாதுன்னு தானே நீங்க அப்படி சொல்றேன். அப்படி இல்லப்பா. மித்யான்னா experientially real. On inquiry, it loses its reality. Another definition of mithya. நமக்கு சும்மா புரியற லாங்குவேஜ்ல சொல்லிக்கணும்னா மித்யா is equal to that which is experientially real, but on inquiry it loses its reality. அவ்வளவுதான் வேதாந்தம். சிம்பிள். ததா நஸ்யாத் மாயாத்வ போதேன ததபன்னவஹ ஸ்யாத். சா போதா, சா வித்யா, you have to supply. Sa vidya mayatva bodhena tadapannavaha. Tat means jagat. Mayatva bodhena, by mithyatva nishchayam only. Mayatva means what? Mayayaha. Mithyatva. Mayatvam. That alone. Ghatini means hantri, nashika ityartha. Next shloka. Anapannutya lokaham tadindriya jalamidam tvitim janatyevanapunnutyam bhogam mayatvadhistatham. All are important shlokas, very, very technical and important also. Magical show he is comparing now. Example. It is not so easy to assimilate this truth, I know. But I'll give you an example. People go to a movie. Movati iti movie. Okay? That moves, that which moves is movie and making others also to move. Movati iti movie. And people get a lot of emotions, by seeing that. Whether it is a funny story or a tragedy story, you go to terror film or not. You means people. People go to terror film, it terrifies the person. You are giving money to that person who is terrifying you. Terrible picture, terror picture, you are going. And you are enjoying the fun also, you are enjoying the terror also. And the terror பார்க்கறதுக்காக terrify ஆகிறதுக்காக எதுக்கு பணம் கொடுக்கறேன் சொல்லு? And the terror movie, buying the 250 rupees ticket, giving money to him and terrified. எதுக்கு? I know that terror is not real terror. Even though that is terrifying me, I know it is not real. That is why I pay money. Jnani's experience of prarabdha also like that only. Movie is a movie. Movie can have climax, tragedy, problems, all are there. Sad story, sad song, sweet song also will be there. That is movie. And hero, heroine கொஞ்ச நேரம் நல்லா பாடுவான், பார்க்கு போவான், நல்லா டான்ஸ் பண்ணுவான், ஸ்வீட் சாங். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவர் எங்கேயோ இந்த அம்மா எங்கேயோ சேட் சாங். இந்த ரெண்டு பார்க்கறதுக்கு you know that even though it is a sad song it is it entertainment for you or not? No. See what a picture I have come. It is a sad song, sad movie. Are you feeling like that? Heroine action பாருங்கோ, அந்த sad and the climax how tragedy moments she acted so nicely. That's why I want to go second time. And the Devadas picture, what a picture, that picture, ella crying da. And the Devadas, the struggle, if you see, I know that one person who saw 50 times that picture, Devadas picture. என்ன அந்த ஒரு நாகேஸ்வர ஆக்ஷன் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கா. People coming out with tears in their eyes. So second time, no, நாளைக்கு கூட பார்க்கணும். ஏன்னா சில டைலாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் சில பேருக்கு பைஹார்ட்டே, அந்த டைலாக்ஸ் எல்லாம். அது மாதிரி எதுக்கு அப்ப பார்க்கறேன்னா அது பொய்ன்னு தெரியும். Entertainment, even though it is unpleasant tragedy movie, I know the action done by that actor, hero, heroine, excellent. இதே மாதிரி சொல்லுவான், excellent. Jnani also, this prarabdha world gives pleasant, unpleasant experiences, excellent. Why? मिथ्यात्वात्. स्वप्न वस्तुवत् जाग्रत वस्तु अनुभवा अपि सत्यं भवितुं न शक्यते कदापि. How? अहमेव सत्यं तुरीय आत्मा. All these worldly names and forms cannot be real. They are only naam ke vasti, lip movement. Since I am not assimilating the self-knowledge, I am not able to see the mayatvam in the world. I have attachment towards this body, mind, abhimana. I give satyatvam to this. I cannot see the mayatvam in the jagat, mayatvam in this shariram. As long as you give satyatvam, you cannot give mayatvam. As long as you see, the moment you see mayatvam in the jagat and shariram, prarabdha loses its satyatvam. Anubhava, it continues. Satyatvam goes in. Now you see, Jnani is not an ordinary person. Enge irkar paadungo. Jnani. Green room. Adha mudichachu vishayam. Ipo Purva Pakshi vararu. Kekararu. Enna? Adhe. Kaha kena kam. Kaha kena kam pashet. And the mantra comes. 181. Yatra tvasya jagat swatma pashyet kastatra kenakam kim jigret kim vadedveti shrutau tu bahu ghoshitam. You are telling prarabdha anubhava is there for jnani, pleasant and unpleasant, all he is experiencing. But Upanishad says what he can see with what he can see, how he can see. Upanishad is telling, you are telling there is a Dvaita anubhava. Question, doubt comes. What is that doubt? Yatra tu asya jagat swatma bhavati. Yatra, where for a jnani, the jagat becomes swa-atma. Sarvam atmamayam. Sarvam atma eva. This is the knowledge in a jnani. Because sarvam brahmamayam. Jagat he sees as Brahman. Clear? He cannot see any second thing. Only Brahman. Then pashyet. Kaha tatra kena kam pashyet. Then who can see what? Questions, 3 questions are there. Who will see what? Karta negated. Then second question, what will he see? Kam pashyet. What will he see? Karma, object ruled out. Kena pashyet. With what will he see? Instrument ruled out. Karta, karma, karanam ruled out. Triputi ruled out. Because Jnani sees everything as Atma. Therefore, where there is no question of karta, karma, karanam. Triputi ruled out. That is why Kim jigret, what he can smells. Kim va vadet, what he speaks. Iti shrutau tu bahu ghoshitam. It is mentioned by the Upanishads. Shruti means Upanishad. Footnote they have given. Brihadaranyaka 2.4.14. Even 4.5.15 also. 4.5.15. Maitreyi Brahmanam 2 times it comes. 2.4.14 Maitreyi Brahmanam. This mantra occurs in 2.4.14. Even 4.5.14. 4.5.15 Maitreyi Brahmanam occurs 2 times. Bahu ghoshitam. Chandogya Upanishad. Bhuma Vidya 7.24.1. Yatra nanyah pashyati nanyah shrunoti nanyat vijanati sa bhuma. So he is quoting Shrutihi bahu ghoshitam. Thus it has been said by the Upanishad. Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka and all. Now you are telling Jnani, experience, prarabdha, as a karta, experiencing with what? With instruments, experiencing objects. What Upanishad says? What will he experience? What will he see? With what he can see? How he can see? Now tell me the answer. Then Vidyaranya says, Purvapakshi, you are so tired. Come next week. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.